Welcome to EduSmart. Today we're looking at 3 skills that can change a student's future: financial literacy, compound growth, and critical AI literacy. First, financial education is moving from an optional extra into the curriculum. California is preparing to require a standalone personal finance course for high school students, while education commentators are asking why universities teach critical thinking but often leave money skills to chance. That matters because students are making real decisions before they graduate, choosing a bank account, using a credit card, signing a student loan, or deciding whether to invest. Financial literacy is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about understanding the cost of borrowing, the purpose of an emergency fund, and the difference between a long-term investment and a short-term gamble. A useful starting point is to track 3 numbers each month: what comes in, what must go out, and what can be saved or invested. Once those numbers are visible, better choices become much easier. The second idea is compound interest. Compounding means your return begins earning a return of its own. Imagine investing £1,000 at 7% a year and leaving it untouched. After roughly 10 years, it is about £1,900, after 20 years, around £3,900, and after 30 years, about £7,600, before fees and tax. The exact result will vary because real investments rise and fall, but the lesson is powerful. Time can matter more than the size of your first contribution. The rule of 72 gives a quick estimate of doubling time. Divide 72 by the annual rate. At 6%, money may take about 12 years to double. Students do not need to start with huge sums. Building the habit, avoiding expensive debt, and increasing contributions gradually can be more important than trying to predict the next hot asset. Compound growth rewards patience, while compound interest on debt works against you, so always understand both sides of the equation. Finally, AI literacy is becoming as important as financial literacy. Using ChatGPT or another model well is not simply knowing which prompt to type. It means understanding that a fluent answer can still be wrong, biased, or based on outdated information. A neural network learns patterns from data, but it does not automatically know whether a claim is fair, ethical, or true. Use a 3-step check: ask the tool to explain its reasoning and assumptions, verify important claims against reliable primary sources, and protect personal or confidential information. For schoolwork, treat AI as a tutor or brainstorming partner rather than a replacement for thinking. Ask it to quiz you, compare 2 explanations, or show a worked example, then solve a similar problem yourself without assistance. The students who benefit most from AI will not be those who outsource every decision. They will be the ones who combine speed with judgment. Learn your money, understand your data, and keep your own mind in the loop. Thanks for watching EduSmart.